Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Office 2024 for free. Okay, it's very easy, but you have to follow every single step. First thing you want to do is create a folder on your desktop, so go to your desktop. You can also right click on your desktop. I have it here, but let me delete it and remake it. You want to right click on it and hit new folder, name it Office 2024. Okay, great. The next step, I'll put the link in the video description, as you want to go to deploy Office deployment tool. I'll select the language that you want to do. I already downloaded it. Let me refresh the page. But select the language, click English, and click download. It's gonna download it, but before you run it, I have it here. Right click on it and hit run as administrator. Hit yes, hit accept terms, hit continue. Go to the desktop and install it into the folder you just made. Okay, great. Okay, and I'll put the video in the link description below, but here you want to go to Office Customization Tool. You want to choose the architecture you want to deploy. I'm in 64-bit, some choose 64-bit. Here you want to choose, this is very important, LTSC volume license. If you do not choose Professional Plus, then basically it's not going to work, so make sure you choose that. Visio, this is optional, project optional, etc, etc. Here you want to choose which what you want to install, what apps you want to install. I'm going to include PowerPoint, Word, and Excel because that's what I use at work. Language, I'm American, so United States. Next. Installation, this is fine, default's fine. CDN's fine. You want to turn this off, uninstall previous versions, etc, etc. Turn that off. Go to next. This is fine. This is important. You want to choose KMS as your volume license activation tool. This is key for making it run. Here, etc, etc. Go next. Go next. And go next. And here you want to click on export. Choose Office Open XML formats. Again, this is important. Click yes. Click accept terms. Click export. And it will create this thing. You want to download unverified file. It's from Windows. Of course, it's safe. You want to take this and go into desktop and move it to this folder. You want to rename this to configuration. By default, you're not going to see the file extension, so don't worry about that. By default, you're going to see, you won't see the XML. It'll look like this, kind of. That's fine. After you've done, you rename this, delete this. And here, from here, you want to go to run. Command prompt, so type in CMD or command prompt. Right click on this and hit run as administrator. And this will come up. And from here, you want to move this folder to your C drive. So let's click and drag this onto your C drive or whatever your default local disk drive. Doesn't really matter. So now I have this Office 2024 on my C drive. This is what we just made. Copy and paste this file path. Copy, I should say, this file path, say CD, and paste the file path. Great, now you're here. Now what you want to do, again, I'll put this in the video description, is copy and paste this code setup configuration XML. Paste, enter. We can't install because I just installed it. But if you don't have it installed, it will install, and you just got Office 2024 for free. Congratulations.